Hello, Conscious Vlogs here with another short, and we will be doing another unboxing video. This time it's from Gracie Boutique, and we will be opening the mail right now. Okay. Let's see. Oh well, that's a lot. Okay, now time to open this. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, they're so cute. So they give you this free bookmark. It's so cute. Okay, and then here are the so they have the receipt here, and then they also have like the notes. Thank you. And so here's bookmark number 1. It's so cute. Plot twist, I bought more books because, I mean, who doesn't? What kind of a reader doesn't? Although I think we need to normalize borrowing them, but at the same time, sometimes libraries have limited options. And then there's this bookmark, which has travel stamps, and as someone who loves to travel, of course I'd want a bookmark like that. Anyways, if you like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment down below which small businesses I should support and unbox. And thank you for watching. Bye.